Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a really fun video unboxing from one of my favorite brands, House of Sillage, and they have just launched their private beach collection. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new private beach collection, as well as sharing a few other little summer essentials that I have stumbled upon recently. So if you are interested in learning more about this new beautiful private beach collection, everything that's included, then let's go ahead and get started. We are going to unbox all the goodies in here, and yes, I already used the entire collection, so I'll give you my thoughts on the whole body collection as well. And in this box you have the private beach body collection. This is so exciting, you guys, because obviously I love their fragrances, I love their lipsticks, but of course adding on to the collection is always amazing, and I love any kind of stuff for your overall body, so this is right up my alley. In the box you are going to get a fun little cap. This is House of Sillage Beach Club, and this is perfect because, you guys, I love to run, and this is what I wear when I run so I don't like burn my skin off. So we've got our fun little beach cap, and then the best part ever is it comes with a really beautiful and large beach towel. So you guys, first, just like all of House of Sillage products, this is a super nice beach towel. And clearly we will not be able to see this, but it is nice and large, just what you need when you are at the beach. And of course it is super high quality, and I love the color. So this is included in the private beach body gift set, a lovely towel, everything you need to take with you to protect your skin, as well as all of your beach essentials. So I love the towel. My daughter already told me she's stealing that. We all need a good beach towel. Now I bet you guys are like, let's get into the nitty-gritty of all the new body products and how they smell. So I used the entire collection this morning, and I started with the beautiful shower gel. One of the things I love about this new launch is that this is sulfite free, paraben free, phthalate free, so nice clean body products, because your skin is your largest organ. And this is the refreshing and invigorating shower gel. These are made with natural and organic ingredients, and what I love about this is it's not too overpowering. It has a really nice scent to it, almost a little bit like a teeny bit of a nuttiness to it. It includes sunflower seed oil as well as coconut oil. This shower gel is created with natural and organic ingredients. It's rich in sunflower seed oil as well as coconut oil, and it has botanicals in it. So you guys, it just is very luxurious. It smells wonderful, but again, not over the top. I would say kind of a subtle kind of natural fragrance that I'm really enjoying, because this body collection is kind of meant to be layered with their fragrances. You don't want your body lotions and stuff to be overly scented. So I find this to be really super nice. It has a bit of a nuttiness to it. I think that's probably from the sunflower. And it was just kind of a lovely experience of using the shower gel. So the shower gel is $48 and you get 8 fluid ounces. Next up we have the private beach body lotion. This is lovely. So one of my complaints with body lotions is that they can be kind of sticky on the skin and don't absorb very well. This one is the opposite of that. It has a really nice, lovely texture to it. It's actually made with rice bran oil, and you guys, it is just so good. We're gonna hydrate my arms here. And so you guys, I love this scent. It's very natural smelling. It has a tropical vibe to it, but not over the top. I wish that I had smell-o-vision so I could explain it to you a little better. It just feels so lovely. It absorbs right into the skin. And I just love the smell of this. It is a little bit nutty, a little bit natural smelling in a good way, almost like a little bit woody. And then it also has just a little touch of a tropical vibe, but again, not kind of over the top, so that you can definitely layer your own personal fragrance on top of this. This is going to contain their flagship rice bran oil, which is fantastic for your skin. It's loaded with antioxidants and it's going to help protect your skin, make it soft, supple, and you guys, it just feels so good. Not sticky, not greasy. It absorbs beautifully, but it has a really nice kind of luxe feeling to it. So really enjoying this. And this is going to be $58. It is 8 fluid ounces and the perfect accompaniment if you are going to be layering fragrances. Now, this next product is probably my favorite out of the collection, and that is the Private Beach Body Oil. I'm a huge fan of body oils. I find that they're like the best for my skin. This one has anti-aging properties. They are using meadow foam and black currant oil, which is known for anti-aging. So of course I was all over that. The other thing that I like about this is that the oil is weightless. So I love the feeling of the luxe feeling of the oils, but if they're too sticky or they take too long to absorb into the skin, sort of takes away from the fun of them. So this one is going to illuminate the skin. So you guys, I want to just have you look at how this is going to illuminate and just give your skin that kind of lovely, glossy, illuminated, healthy skin look that is just awesome for the summer. Again, this one does not feel super greasy. It just feels lovely on the skin. It's absorbing. I, of course, like to have just a little bit of illumination on my skin. Anything that says it's going to give it a glow, love that. $65 for 6 fluid ounces. A little goes a long way. This is just going to give you silky, soft, beautiful skin. Love, love, love this. The perfect little topper before putting on your favorite fragrance. I'm going to be putting on one of my favorite House of Sillage fragrances. But before we get to that, we have one more new item. And they even came out with a hydrating facial mist. So you guys, I love mists. It's my favorite thing to kind of reapply throughout the day, especially if it's a long work day. This is what I will use to kind of pep up my skin and my mood. And this is fantastic to take to the beach as well. So we're going to do a little spritz here. This includes some tropical fruit extracts that are from starfruit, kiwi, and pomegranate. It also contains vitamins A, C, and B, which we all know are fantastic for basically overall anti-aging of your skin. And I find that this gives me just a really nice healthy glow, super hydrating, very uplifting. And again, you guys, it's not like perfumed. This is a very natural kind of product that just is going to give you a nice little boost of hydration. So it's just going to give you a nice little boost of hydration, a little bit of glow. The base of this is aloe vera as well as glycerin. So just your typical ingredients in a really nice mist. So love that it has skincare benefits. You can spritz this on any time of the day. So honestly, I think they hit this whole little beach body collection out of the park. Just includes a lot of nice ingredients. The smell is lovely, natural, just not over the top, and it's just perfect for layering your favorite fragrance. So let's go ahead and do that. So one of my favorite fragrances from House of Sillage is from the Whispers in the Garden collection. It is the Whispers of Truth. The bottle, of course, is stunning. Comes in this beautiful glass white bottom, and then of course the most beautiful cap of all. It's just so pretty. Now the best thing is I love this perfume. You guys, this is so amazing. This is a very intoxicating scent. So I'm going to put a little bit on. You're first gonna get a little burst of grapefruit, bergamot, and orange, so nice little citrus boost. Then you're gonna smell that beautiful authentic rose with a touch of jasmine put on there. So if you can imagine, you guys, this is just sort of this lovely summer kind of burst of citrus, and we've got those beautiful rose and jasmine is what I always think of in the summer. Then we've got a nice little weighty kind of base with musk, caramel, and moss. So it is just absolutely intoxicating, so beautiful. If any of you know Maison Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat 540, that's another one that has a huge following. To me, there is a touch of that intoxicating kind of element to this, but this one has a bit more of a freshness versus I find that the Maison Francis Kurkdjian has more of that kind of sugary, kind of burnt caramel. This one has that same kind of element that makes that such a crowd pleaser. This fragrance has a touch of that element, but instead of more of that kind of burnt caramel sugar that you get from Maison Kurkdjian Baccarat 540, this has this gorgeous little burst of citrus, and that rose is just really authentic, and then it's just layered with that jasmine. It is just perfection. And then of course I love that touch of caramel in there. Gonna give a bit of sweetness, but very balanced out. So this is the one that I was inspired by today. Obviously any of the House of Sillage fragrances would be great. A couple other ones I would mention that would be fantastic for summer and to layer with these products would be the Passion de l'Amour. You guys, it's just a gorgeous tropical fragrance, fantastic for summer. Oh God, I love this one, and I love it layered with Chevaux D'or. This one is a full-on strawberry rose fragrance. It is the most authentic kind of rose I've ever smelled. It's as if I have a big basket of roses right on my desk. It's got a touch of this fruity strawberry with a touch of sea salt on top, I find. So I love to layer this one with Passion de l'Amour. That is like my favorite combination. Like when I put these two together, I just cannot stop smelling myself all day long. I even think this would be fantastic layered on my Whispers of Truth, just to kind of amp up the rose and the sweetness. Fragrance is so much fun. You can create your own fragrance anytime by layering what you love, but those would be some of my favorites for summer and to be layering on top of the beach collection. So this is a really fun launch from House of Sillage. I love that they also are selling everything separately. So if you are new to the House of Sillage and want to dip your toes into it, they're offering some different price points, and they do offer exactly what I showed you in a collection. So what I've shown you today is the Beachbody Collection gift set, and that included that fabulous beach towel as well as your little House of Sillage cap, the whole body collection. And that is going to be $196. That is a $281 value. So great new launch from House of Sillage. I will leave all the information in the description box along with my link. So let me know if any of you are going to be picking these up. And besides the new Beachbody collection, I did want to let you know that they are still offering 25% off many of their gorgeous perfumes. So you might want to be checking a few of those out. I do not know how long the sale is going to be going on. Okay, and I have just a couple little fun fashion items that I have picked up that is sort of my summer outfit. I have finally found a pair of white jeans that I am loving, and my daughter and I went on our first retail experience since things have opened up. So I ended up finding a pair of white jeans. These are classic 501s. They are cropped, but the best part was that these were freaking $14. So my daughter was laughing because I love a good sale, but I was going to be happy paying, you know, $50 for these jeans. Everything seemed to be 50% off. But when we went to ring up, I guess they were a return, and I got them for $14. So you guys, I finally have a pair of white jeans that I don't need to stress over about, you know, spilling watermelon or whatever else it's going to be that I spill on my white jeans. I love summer. I love wearing white. And so I was very excited about the white jeans. Now I also did pick up some new sandals, and these are actually Doc Martens. Now, you guys, these look a little bit clunky here, just like that, but I'm going to insert some pictures because they are super cute. They tie up around your ankle, and of course, I live with two young sort of hipster kind of kids, and so they try to keep me relevant in wearing Doc Martens and Levi's. So, but I just had to share that I love these sandals. They are so comfortable. They are a little bit edgy and a little bit fun, but they're also super comfortable. So just had to share a little bit of excitement here. So this is going to be part of my summer uniform. I'm going to be smelling amazing, wearing my white jeans, got my edgy sandals, and I am ready to go. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll be back with another video soon.